brand is a great way to boost exposure for your organisation. Now that your brand is on your utes or your trailers or trucks, here's how you can maintain your signage to maintain the premium look and longevity of your vehicle signage. Infrequent or improper maintenance may lead to premature degradation of graphics, lowering the expected life of the signage and possibly voiding the signage product warranty. Here are some vehicle washing tips. Step 1. Pre-rinse. Use a hose and rinse the vehicle with clean water. This helps remove loose dirt particles and helps avoid scratching the graphics. Wash the vehicle in the shade and gently wash the vehicle with a mild soapy water solution using a soft cloth or a synthetic or natural sponge. Start from the top of the vehicle and work downwards. Avoid abrading the surface with unnecessary scrubbing. Rinse thoroughly with clean water. Let the signage dry naturally. To avoid water spotting, use a silicone squeegee to remove water, then finish drying with a microfiber or a soft, non-abrasive towel. Customers often ask, can I drive through a car wash? A touchless automatic car wash is technically the best choice of automatic car washes for vehicles with signage. However, because you have no control over the direction or the pressure of the water jets, there is a possibility that this could cause damage to the signage. Brush type car washes should not be used because they're likely to cause damage to both your vehicle and your signage. Customers also often ask, can I use high pressure water cleaning equipment? High pressure cleaning equipment is technically suitable, but extra care must be taken. The equipment used must have a maximum pressure of 1200 psi and a wide angle. That's because excessive water pressure and intense water spray can cause damage by forcing water underneath your graphics. If the cleaning system is heated, a water temperature of 70 degrees Celsius should not be exceeded. In order to reduce the risk of decal edge lift, a minimum distance of 30 centimetres should be maintained from the nozzle to the film surface. Additionally, the dispenser nozzle should always be perpendicular to the film surface. Sharp angles of the water stream or intense localised water spray generated from a narrow angle spray nozzle can lead to decal edge lift or delamination or loss of adhesion. Customers often ask, what detergent should I use when hand washing? Use a mild car cleaning detergent and water mix that doesn't contain strong soluble substances, alcohol or abrasive components. The detergent should have a pH balance between 5 and 9. Customers also ask, when should I clean my vehicle? The vehicle should not be cleaned within the first 48 hours of your signage being applied. After this 2-day period, it's recommended to wash your vehicle every 2 weeks or a minimum of once a month. Customers also ask, can I wax my vehicle? Well, yes, you can, as long as the wax doesn't contain petroleum distillates, which is found in many paste waxes. Products that are a combination of waterless wash and wax are great options as long as the vehicle doesn't have a matte finish on the signage and isn't excessively dirty. Test the wax on an inconspicuous part of the vehicle first. Customers often ask, what about the difficult spots? Well, spot clean contaminants such as bird droppings, bug splatter, tree sap and similar contaminants as soon as possible to avoid damage to the signage. Start by soaking for several minutes with hot soapy water, then rinse thoroughly. You can spot clean with isopropyl alcohol and clean with a non-abrasive rag. Be sure to test on an inconspicuous area first. The Avery Dennison Power Cleaner in the Supreme Wrapping Film Care line is a good option. Customers also often ask, what if my signage has a matte finish? In that case, use a waterless wash that's recommended for matte finishes, such as Chemical Guy's Meticulous Matte Spray Sealant. Waterless wax products containing wax can fill in the texture and cause shiny spots. A lighter matte finish will be prone to showing more dirt than other finishes. Use a 50-50 mix of isopropyl alcohol and water to spot clean matte finish signage. If the alcohol and water mix does not remove dirt, you can try using hot soapy water solution. You can also try an all-purpose cleaner purchased at your local hardware store. Customers often ask, can the signage be removed? Well, of course. We use world-class materials that enable removal with the right tooling. So when it's time to sell or at the end of your lease, give High-Drive Fleet Brand a call. We don't recommend having a crack at it yourself, as if you're not experienced or if you don't have the right tools, you can damage the paint of your vehicle, reducing your resale value much more than the investment required to have us properly remove it. Customers also ask, will the signage fade? Well, like paint, vehicle graphics will fade over time. It's likely it'll fade after around 4 years. Fading can be reduced by garaging and appropriately washing your vehicle. Should you have any questions, feel free to call High-Drive Customer Care.